What's up, everybody? The 1B here. We're going to be doing some video editing, and today's project, or this video's focus, is going to be on video editing a character creation in Dungeons and Dragons on D&D Beyond. Let's see, we gotta get over here. Video editing. Oops. Let's just go ahead, new folder. Or how about tabletop? We'll call it tabletop because I've done some other videos. Okay, so we'll select that folder. 1B creates a character in DnD Beyond. Importing. Then we go to video editing. This will close that. I never almost looked that way. Go here, drag this down. Character creation in here. All right. Let's turn that off. Oh, because it's quarter quality. I was like, what the heck? Let's turn that off. We're going to just scrubbing through to make sure there's no AFK points. The video's about an hour long. Manos Monacos. Good there. I think that's that. This is nice. It's got it all right here. Okay. Let's jump into Stared In. It's got it all right here. Turn up the volume. Say this every single time. I'd rather you guys be able to hear me. Be able to turn me up if you need to. Or I mean, turn me down if you need to. And then not be able to turn me up. File. Save. Export. We're going to open up Adobe Media Encoder by exporting. Someday. Oh, I know what happened. You have to have the timeline selected. I forget that every time, especially when I make a change like that. DnD on character creation, that is not what we're calling it. Video editing, tabletop. We should put a thing in here for DnD character creation. DnD Beyond character creation. Drop this in here. And then the 1B creates a character create DnD Beyond for 1. Click save, queue it. Now Adobe Media Encoder will open. Sorry. And that's me just basically prepping a video. Trim the front of it a little bit, trim the back of it, and look to see if there's any AFK spots, and throw on my end screen, and it's good to go. At some point I'd like to make a title screen, but it's got to be short. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do yet, and I don't know when I'm going to add one, but for now the end screen's good enough, and then get you right into the content. So once I hit this right here, it's going to start rendering it, and then that's probably going to be between a 10 and 20 minute process. And yeah, that's going to be everything. Then I'll upload it to YouTube and do that little process. Thanks everybody for watching. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.